Alright. Okay.
So I ordered the VIS carbon fiber hood online, and it was very smooth process. I just ordered it, and then DHL came by and dropped it off. Then I got this package, and as you can see, I just started unboxing the hood, and you can see it's a vented carbon fiber hood that I ordered, which is pretty cool. I kind of wanted that look. Yeah, but I wanted to see if the hood is gonna fit flush once I have it installed. And you know, I've had like bad experiences in the past with carbon fiber hoods, like with the MR2 for instance. The carbon fiber hood is really junk, and the fitment is just not good at all. You know, there's big gaps on the side. The fitment isn't like flush. So I wanted to see if this VIS hood would hold up.
There's that hood right here. There it is. See how it goes. See how it fits. Good. So what do you think? Does it fit? Fits all right? Looks good. Yeah, so that's the hood right there. What do you think? You know, one of the pieces of the puzzle put together right here. So, cool. And I'm gonna have to keep the original hood over there for better days or something. You know, so, go check it out. Carbon fiber hood.
I also ordered the VIS carbon fiber trunk to go along with my hood. And it's just a regular trunk. It's not the one with the little tail on it, because I already have plans of installing a specific kind of wing that I'm gonna drill, and I'm gonna be talking about on a later episode. But so I got this VIS carbon fiber trunk, and this is the process. Installation is really pretty straightforward. All you have to do is take out the stock trunk. But before you take the whole thing out, you want to make sure that you put protection. You want to protect your car. So put like a, what do you call it? Put a towel around the car, around the trunk, so that way when you take it out, it's not going to scratch the rest of your car. You got to take off the wires first. Because the first thing you need to do is take off the wires, take off that middle piece, which holds the key. What do you call that? To open the trunk, the latch. You take those out, After you take out the latch and the wiring and stuff like that, then you can start unscrewing. Well, loosening up the screws. Don't quite take off the screws yet. The first thing you would want to take out, well, the next thing you would want to take out would be the little shocks for the trunk, and those just pop right out. You know, those just pop right out. And then you unscrew the bolts to loosen it up, you know, and then take off the trunk. It's best to have someone help you out because, you know, you want someone to, well, if I get to loosen up the bolts, then I have someone holding the trunk just in case it falls off, right? So you take off the trunk and then you can install the carbon fiber trunk.
Carbon fiber hood or trunk that I got. Trying to see what this is all about, you know. Cool. I mean, trunk, carbon fiber trunk. I just got this kind of meshed to front. Seems to fit all right. All this stuff.
The only tricky part about putting it back together is the shocks. The shocks, you have to pop back the pins, and the pins are kind of, it's a little bit annoying, little pin. It's, you know, you have to pop it back in to kind of hold the shocks in place. But other than that, everything is pretty smooth, pretty easy.